So what's up guys, now I'm in Maasai Market here in the area of Nairobi CBD. I want to show you Maasai Market. In Mombasa, Maasai Market is always, yes, in the weekend, like here in Nairobi, but it is always at the Nyali City Mall, on top of the mall. But here in Nairobi, I can see it is just on the streets of Nairobi. This is the Maasai Market, and Lola is here with me once again, showing you guys around the city. And today we are going to Maasai Market.
You're going to Maasai Market.
Yeah.
It used to be inside a certain parking lot, but they were cleared. So right now they are just on this lane. We are going to follow them all the way down up to a certain. I'm trying to remember the name. It's called
where the Maasai Market ends.
It's called the Aga Khan Walk.
The Aga Khan Walk.
Yeah, it doesn't even end there. That's where now it's concentrated.
Okay.
Now these ones here are just taking advantage. You know, this is our pathway.
That's our pathways. Yeah. Okay.
We don't have a problem with that though. So, but they are concentrated on that particular other end. So we are following up until there.
Yeah. Okay.
But
yes,
you know the reason why they're here. Usually Aga Khan Walk is very busy on Sundays.
Okay. Now customer, they are looking for customer.
And the everything.
Okay.
You know Aga Khan Walk turns into something very different. You have Aga Khan Walk in Mombasa.
Yes.
Yeah, here it turns into something very different on Sundays. So that's why I think they're concentrated here.
Okay.
We can just shikanisha tukienda until where the Aga Khan Walk is.
Okay.
Yes.
So if you're in Nairobi and you want to buy Masai attires.
Yeah, anything African.
Ornaments, anything African, vitenge, you can come in this area of Maasai Market. Yeah, that's the Maasai Market. This is how it is. Hi, how are you? Okay, you can see. Thank you. Wow. So that's the Maasai Market. You can see all kind of vitenges. Oh, this is nice. Wow. So as I told you guys, in Mombasa we have it in a city mall on top of the mall. So most of the people who come to the mall are the one who buys things. Thank you. Thank you. Most of the people who always come to the mall are the one that come to buy stuff from the Maasai Market. But here in Nairobi, anyone can come because it is just outside. It's just outside the streets. Wow, look at that. All of this is Maasai Markets. Wow. This is amazing. Look at this ornament, guys.
Yes, hello.
Wow, look at this. Oh my God.
Jesse.
Wow. There's shoes. If you want these shoes. Wow, look at that. This is nice. Look at that. Thank you. Wow. You can see all of these attires. Hello. Hi, how are you? Oh, nice. Okay. So Lola, have you ever bought something from the market?
So many things. In fact, I have something I bought last time I was here.
Are they affordable?
It's a copper bracelet.
Okay.
Yes, you know. Kuna bei ya mzungu na bei ya mwananchi.
By the way, when they see a white guy, wanatandikwa.
Bei ya mzungu na bei ya mwananchi.
Lakini
So how you negotiate is up to you.
Okay. Nice. Get the bags here. Rastafari t-shirts. Hi, how are you? Ele Selassie. Oh, nice. Wow. Martin Luther King. Okay. Okay. Now this is nice. Asante mama. Wow. Nice. The Maasai Market in Nairobi is big.
Quite big.
It's quite big.
Inside here, by the way.
Oh, inside here?
No, here.
Oh, here?
Yes.
Oh. In Mombasa is a small Maasai Market and is on top of the city mall.
Yes, you took me there, you remember?
Yeah.
Last time I was at the coast.
Yeah, so it minimizes the customer because not so many people always go to the mall. So when they do that, watu wengi hawaendi.
Because it's not visible.
Yeah, it's not visible. But here in Nairobi, you can see everything is visible. So they make money so fast. Okay. So Mombasa, guys, I think it's because of space. That's why they are putting it on top of the mall. And a while it was just down the mall at the parking lot. But because of hi.
My friend,
I'm very fine. Long time. Hi. How are you doing?
I'm good.
Okay, sasa. Okay, still the market. Hey, nakaa fiti. Look at this, niaje? Hey, nakaa poa. Wow. It's nice. Another one here. Wow. Oh, ziko kadhaa. So we are back. Yeah. And then okay. Wow. So these ornaments. Oh yeah, a peacock. Mama kila hata hizi curves.
Yeah. Kazi ya mkono na
kazi ya mkono. You should appreciate these people.
Yes, karibu.
Thank you so much.
Yes, what about the food here?
Thank you. Wow. Na nokizo ni matumbo manini. Okay, look at this guys. Woo. Nakaa fiti. Hizi najua mzungu akikuja hapa ataambia 5,000. Hata 10,000. And they'll pay it. Okay, also the belts, Look at the belts guys. Woo. Masai ndo wanavanga hizi.
So, kuna nafasi nyingine pale ndani ukitaka waonyesha.
Okay. All of these Masai markets. Only in Masai Market is where you get this, Yeah. Not any other place. Exactly. Okay, all of that guys. Wow. Ukana huko? Afu tutokezana pale mbele. Okay.
Pia kupeleka pale.
Kencom ni wapi? Ni huko ama ni huko?
Kencom ni huko. Sasa
not Kencom.
Nataka tumalize nini?
Kencom ni huko.
Kencom ni kule. Hata huja kuona? Ukipaona tu unajua hapa ni.
Asante. Yeah guys, I'm still in Masai Market. You can see how big it is. This is nice guys. This is amazing. Wow. Nice. And the market is just inside the city. You go inside CBD. Yeah. Wow. All of these shoes, guys. Wow. And also they take advantage of the people who are selling all this kind of stuff. They put food inside the Masai Market, so that's the. Okay. All of this. Wow.
Make millions of them.
Nice. Hapo tunachukua no moja hapa kuonyesha niko market. Look at these bags there. Okay. I think popo. All of this. Jambo. Wow. Look at this guys. Nice. Hello. Thank you. Wow. Also some foreigners always come here to buy things. There's some Indians.
In fact, this is there for them.
This is there for them. For us, you cannot.
A lot of them when they visit, you hear someone say, take me to Masai Market, I want to buy my family some
okay.
things.
Maybe unipigie up.
That's
it's bright.
Very erotic. Oh my God. No, it's nice. I like it.
Let me take it 1 second.
Hi brother.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good, welcome. Body dada.
Wow. Wewe unajichorea?
Wewe unajichorea?
Tuko group.
Mungo group.
Looks
nice.
Oh.
Utamaliza.
Kwa watu watano.
Hiyo ijaenda bado, ile ni moto.
Hii hapa. Okay, let me. Yeah, this is Masai Market in Nairobi. All of that.
Yes.
Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Hey, fine, thank you.
Tupige kabla usahau.
Kwani kupeleke kokota yako
hata unaona vile iko hivi. Kama niko tu hapo.
Nisimamishe tu.
Vile msimamisha tu kama nifanye hivi. Sina record hivyo kwa tukae tu hivyo. Wewe position 4
Sawa.
Unaonekana sura?
Naonekana sura.
Nice. Sawa, nitaicrop tu kwa video.
Sawa. Asante, tarudi.
Thank you. Okay, look at the clothes guys for the ladies. Wow, look at this. Wow. This is nice. It's beautiful. How much?
3,000.
3,000. Wow, this is beautiful. Hiyo ni ya kiume ama kike? Au ni kama hii tu mtu anafunga tu nio hapo.
Hizi ya wanaume.
5,000. 3,000.
Yeah,
3,000 shillings. Yeah. 3,000 shillings for this amazing Kenyan art made in Kenya. Wow. Hii sasa wanaume.
This for men, this for ladies.
This for ladies.
Hii ni ya 2.
Jambo Kenya.
But negotiable.
Negotiable.
Wanaume wako na pesa.
Wow.
But negotiable.
Okay.
Wacha tuzunguke, we'll be back. Tumepromotea
Okay. Okay. The market is big. It goes all the way to the other side. All of this is the market, eh? Wow. Thank you. Okay. Okay.
Here you can also have
Oh, this is nice.
wine holder.
What? Oh, this is a wine holders.
Yeah.
Ah. Oh, okay.
how they do,
This is a nice.
These are the key holders, maybe.
Okay. Unaweka kwa ukuta alafu na hang keys. Look at this. All of these are Kenyan made. Handmade. Wewe mwenyewe.
Sisi tunafanya kwa mimi na huyu.
Oh, okay. This is nice.
From him.
This is beautiful.
I'm now thirsty.
Yeah, also you can also
Looks really
hold the
good.
water.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's nice, guys. All of this located in the CBD of Nairobi.
Yeah, and from
Masai Market. And we have this.
This is like
Wow.
this pink.
This is corduroy. It's corduroy. The surfaces. Wow. So how do you clean it?
No, you don't clean it. This, you see the material here. This is
Yes.
velvet.
Velvet, yes.
Goes easy. If you use the velvet, you don't have to keep cleaning it again. But even if you wipe it, it doesn't come off.
Oh, because I'm thinking of dust. Ikiwa dusty, we
Unapumuta tu.
You just put up.
Oh, okay.
Like that one.
Oh, yeah, you tap.
And we are good to go.
How much is this?
This one, I just do for 4,500.
Oh,
4,500.
It's not fixed.
no, we can talk.
Negotiable.
The
And we have many. Anyone you want, you can get it from here.
And the good thing,
Yeah.
the painting.
Yeah.
If you like it with the frame, you give it with the frame. If you don't want the frame,
You
just
remove the frame.
So without the frame, it's even cheaper.
No, you know
It's
the
the same.
frame. That's just an additive.
That's an additive. Oh.
Yeah, okay. So if you want ready-made, you just take it and go and hang it.
You want to go frame it yourself, just do that.
4,500. Okay.
But it's not fixed. You can negotiate.
You can negotiate. Okay guys, for only 4,500 unakuja Nairobi Masai Market unanunua hizi vitu. Unabambika. This is a very nice beautification on the wall on your house.
We actually do it yourself.
Okay. And also you can come here and say what you want and they
You can
print it
come
for you.
here
They make it
give
for
us
you.
an order.
Order, then
paint it for you.
and then you bring it.
Then you come.
But in an extra fee.
Yeah.
It is not
No,
4,500.
that's a special case.
Yes. Okay. Nice. Then Nipo, we'll be back. Okay.
So I wanted that you can just go around, we come back this way, and then we go outside again.
Okay, all of this is Masai Market. I'm so happy to be in this market, and Lola is a good friend of mine, and it's been very helpful to me to take me around Nairobi because I'm new here. This is her city.
Yep.
Yeah, so wow.
You can go this way. This is my city.
This is Lola's city. Thank you.
I need to start giving tours now.
Yeah, exactly.
And
then you
make
get
some
money.
money.
You make some money from that. Yeah. Your market is big. All of this is Masai. It's big. Not like our market. There's kind of very small.
And you can see they're supposed to be in here, but because some of them feel like customers might not get here.
Thank you.
They make sure they are alongside the road, like where we are from, so that they can catch.
So yeah, exactly.
Because some of them are selling more or less the same things. Yeah.
Okay.
What is inside here, you can find outside.
Okay. Nice.
Okay.
This is sexy. Very sexy. Thank you. Wow. Look at all these. Wow. Hi. Okay. I think that's the Masai Market. So guys, what do you think? What do you think about the market? Do you think one of the days when you come to Nairobi, kindly promote these people because they are Kenyan hustlers. They do this for their own. They have this themselves. They do this themselves. They make they all this for themselves so that they can able to sell to the Kenyan people and also to the whites, because most of these things have been made for the Europeans,
Yep.
the white guys. So yeah, even
visitors. Even Kenyans who live abroad, they come get gifts here, and so that they can give their friends back.
Wow.
And which is the most famous gift from Maasai Market, by the way? Do you know?
The most famous gift from Maasai Market.
Something that is always bought. You can never go wrong with it. You know they know. You know.
Oh, that Kenyan. That Kenyan,
bracelet.
Bracelet. Yeah.
Yes.
That's the
most famous.
And
popular gift.
popular
people
gift.
Get here.
Okay. Nice. You see, like everyone in the state right now, when the Mandamano started,
yes,
and they came up with this challenge of wearing those bracelets. The Kenyan. Even me, I have it. Look at this. There you go.
Yes, there you go.
There you go.
There you go.
Yes. So.
This is the end of the market. Yeah.
So guys, what do you think about the market? Tell us on the comment section. And do you think that one of the day we'll come here and buy something? Please, when you come to Nairobi, buy something from these people. They are hustling and they are trying to make money. So support them. And yeah, so thank you so much for watching this video. Lola, say something about your channel.
My channel is Lola Chila, guys. Go like, subscribe, and we will link it up there on Dennis's channel.
Exactly.
And just support us.
Okay.
Yes.
So thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Okay.